Welcome to another Whiteboard Wednesday. Today we're going to take a little different approach. We're going to do a personal approach, not business. I want to talk about a better you. Better you, not your company, not everyone around you, you. So I wanted to touch on this. We're going to do a 3-part series. They're going to be short, not very long, not very winded like usual, to the point and talking more about you. With that said, everything comes from you. So everything that we have and that we believe in, that we build and we talk about it in all the other videos is our culture and all of these things we're building and branding and teams and relationships, whether personal, business, or in whatever level it may be. It's coming from you. And if you are not centered, if you are not the best version of you, let's find that version. Let's find that. Let's create that stillness, that happiness. There's a lot that, unfortunately, as business owners, as parents, as dad, let's take it back to me even, as a dad, as a person, as a coach, as a culture builder, team leader here, it's very reflective on one attitude and personality and beliefs and things that you do on a daily basis. So if you can't, or if you're tired, let's boil it down to the basics. Let's be honest. If you're tired of bullshitting and you're tired of faking it and going through and living in anxiety or driving to work saying, I'm so frustrated, or I'm done with it, let's find a better you. And I have been working on myself, and I'd like to share some things that I do that might help you on more of a personal level. And it can help everyone. You can be anybody for these video series. You don't have to be a business owner or entrepreneur. I want to focus on helping you be a better you. And so with this 3-part series, I'm going to share some spiritual pieces I've read and gone through, some of my own lifetime stories, some of my own things that I've done, some things I think will help you in your path to find that success, to find that better you. If you can't believe in yourself, if you can't be basically happy and learn how to be happy, these things aren't going to work for you, and you're going to have a long path. And I took that long path for many years, the decade. And once you find that in your heart, and once you find that and you can turn that into a positive for you as a person, everything becomes easier. So again, I just wanted to welcome you to the Whiteboard Wednesday, talking about some things here. I'm going to leave with a little bit of advice. I just wanted to introduce you to a 3-part series I'm putting together. This is part 1. So one of the things I want to hit real quick, the stillness in you, and to understand what it takes to believe in yourself. Setting small goals, positive affirmations, as simple as boiling down to waking up in the morning and to just take a breath. And before you get out of bed, before you do anything, ask yourself, who am I? I'm a dad. I'm a dad first, right? Who am I? I'm a husband. I'm a husband first. Who am I? I'm a person that I can learn to love because I want to be happy. If I am happy, I will then be a better dad. I will be a better husband. Those pieces are most important. The next thing, which I have to do, and some of you do, is I'm also a business leader. I'm also a friend. I'm also there to support people I don't know. And when you get up in the morning and you open those eyes and you say to yourself, I just don't believe in myself. I just don't know if I can do it. And I don't know how to set goals. I don't know how to answer these super huge questions. It's okay. Don't get overwhelmed. It's the littlest teeny steps that we take that are just such an enormous step in your outward ability to be that better person, to be that better you. If it's just, hey, I've got a goal, I'm going to lose a pound over the next 30 days. I'd say that's a pretty achievable goal. I want to be a better me. How? I'm going to do a little reading. I'm going to do a little reading so that I can understand different ways, different people have achieved these small steps, because I'm going to educate myself on how to be a better person. So all these little things that I'm rammering around, I'm going to help teach and show you in some quick verses, some literature that I have, some things that I've gone through, and some lifetime experiences on part 2 of the series. So again, every morning I grab a cup of coffee. Why? Because it makes me happy. If it makes you happy and it allows you to be a better you, grab your coffee. Whatever makes you, Diet Coke, put a lemon in it. Whatever the smallest things, get yourself in a pattern of positive actions and positive beliefs, small as they may be. If you do not like how you look in the mirror, maybe mentally and physically, change that. Simple way is small steps. Okay? Small steps, huge difference in life in a very short period of time. So again, just wanted to wrap that up. Wasn't giving you all of the education I want. I wanted to introduce you to what I want to believe will help you. And through that process together, maybe we can achieve some great personal goals. Again, this isn't about business. It's not about all the hype and the money and everything else. I felt a calling to do some videos, to talk to people, and to try to help them through this. COVID's been terrible. There's a lot of anxiety, depression. People are not happy. I see people trying to diet and all for all the wrong reasons. So I'm going to walk you through some steps, and hopefully you guys stay with us for the next 3 weeks while we try to build better yous, better me. I'll try to build it every day, and together we'll achieve more. So everybody, happy Wednesday. See you next week.